Good afternoon, everyone. I'm actually the past president. The current president is in South America enjoying a vacation. I'm also a negotiator for California School Employees Association. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the solution. You know, we can be weighted down in facts and figures and statistics and money, and it changes from day to day, doesn't it? How many are here for their first semester on a community college? Let's see your hands. Okay. When you come here, my experience with community college, when I first came here, I was excited, especially after my first classes, because I began to see the world in a way that I had not seen the world before. I began to read a newspaper in a different way. I picked up a book and could learn a little bit more about what they were saying. I could get to the facts of things instead of just taking things at face value. When I got involved in science, I learned a little bit about the world around me. When I got involved in computers, I learned how to think and to reason and rational and do things like that. I was so appreciative of the opportunity to go to college, as I think most of you are, because you wouldn't be here today if you didn't feel like that. We have to come to a solution. We can all talk about the problem. We can go up there and be on the strike, and I'm all for that. You know, I think we should be more like the French. We should be really, really upset about this stuff. You know, the French don't put up with this kind of stuff. The government is afraid of them. You know, instead we're afraid of the government. We need to let them know they need to quit infighting. You look at the national debate on health care. It's nothing but a bunch of arguments between two political parties that are getting absolutely nothing done for America today. We have the same problem in our own legislature in Sacramento. They're arguing. I've gone to lots of budget meetings, and I've heard it change from 1 hour to the next hour. What are we going to do about it? I think we need to change our thinking, and our thinking needs to be local. What we do on Merced College, we need to impress people that education is important and our students do well on this campus. Merced College needs to be a college that people want to go to, that it has a reputation of a great education. Look around you. Who do you think takes care of all the landscaping around here? Who takes care of the bathrooms and cleans up the cafeteria? Who sets your labs up? Things like this. The staff on this campus do that. We are concerned about education. We're not just here to work. We put all those monuments out there and stuff because we want the public to be aware that the people that work on this campus are not just a bunch of people making money off the public trough. You know, we're educated. I have a college degree. I got this job because I have a college degree. How many of you want to have a job besides, and I don't knock McDonald's, I think that's sort of a stopping off, not a stopping off place. How many want to work and make some money that you can support your families? I see a lot of hands here. Do you want a job when you get this college degree? Do you want some place to go? Then we need to do things in this country like quit outsourcing our jobs. Go to any store and find out where the product comes from. Why isn't that coming from America? Is what I want to know. How come our own people here in this country that are getting an education are not part of these factories and making